As the majority of the world's population lives in a city, and this proportion continues to grow, it is critical that the urban environment is monitored for growth and change through time around the globe. Earth observation can offer many solutions related to the urban environment. The Group on Earth Observations, GEO, is coordinating efforts to build a global Earth observation system of systems. GEO is a voluntary partnership of governments and international organizations. The National Observatory of Athens hosts the Greek GEO office and contributes in 2 GEO tasks, one being the Global Urban Observation and Information Task. In April 2014, the National Observatory of Athens organized the Global Urban Observation and Monitoring from Space workshop. Its purpose was not only to bring together remote sensing scientists, but also to provide a multidisciplinary floor where synergies could be established through discussion and brainstorming. All speakers were of international standing and addressed a range of issues concerning the urban environment from different points of view. Mrs. Ralitsa Atanasova, European Commission Project Officer, welcomed the participants. Professor Kanaris Tsinganos officially opened the workshop, and Dr. Haris Kondoes introduced the audience to Beyond Capacity Building Project. Professor Dimosthenis Asimakopoulos set the scene around climatic change impacts on the built environment. Professor Chihao Wang reviewed the needs and gaps in global urban remote sensing. Dr. Francesco Gaetani showed the value of Earth observations in urban planning and decision-making. Dr. Zoltan Bartalis presented Earth observation capabilities for urban development. Dr. Ifigenia Keramitsoglu introduced an innovative system for real-time and online monitoring of the urban heat islands. Professor Henrik Madsen presented a research center for IT intelligent energy systems in cities. Professor Chris Kiranoudis familiarized the audience to green vehicle routing problem in cities. Dr. Evangelos Gerasopoulos warned about wood burning and smog events in cities, a newly arising pollution problem. Mr. Adonis Analitis and Professor Klea Katsougianni showed the effects of extreme temperature on mortality and synergy with air pollution. Dr. Dale Quattrocchi linked excessive heat with daily heat-related mortality over the conterminous United States. Professor José Sobrino presented retrievals of land surface temperature from remote sensing over cities and gave recommendations for a future spaceport mission to monitor the urban heat island. Professor Paolo Gamba showed how to monitor urban extents using synthetic aperture radar and optical data. Dr. Nektarios Chrysoulakis presented Earth observation for urban planning, the GEO-Urban project. Associated Professor Konstantinos Kartalis informed on the use of Earth observation and indicators for sustainable urbanization. Dr. Aphroditi Sinefa and Professor Matheos Adamouris introduced advanced mitigation technologies for the urban environment. Mrs. Maria Kaltsa presented major public projects for the metropolitan region of Athens towards a new urbanity. Dr. Martino Pesaresi and Dr. Daniel Elrich concluded the workshop with disaster risk management calls for big Earth observation data science.